Hi, this is John with WTI, and I've had a lot of problems with previous phones. No RAM management, camera was okay, and battery and performance, nah. But now that I've had this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, this has been my mainly daily driver for the past year, and I've had no complaint about this phone. The contrary. This is great. The camera is great. Video recording, as I have to record a lot for my business and for WTI and all my different jobs. The performance of this phone is just snappy and quick. You're never gonna run out of RAM to run your favorite games or your favorite programs or apps. This phone, it hits all the boxes when it comes to screen, performance, battery, even the speakers. The speaker sounds really good on this phone. So I can list a couple or a lot of things that I've loved about this phone, but it's just like a 5 out of 5 in anything. And this phone is just great. The software from Samsung, it's clean and it's intuitive. So if you're looking for a great, well-rounded phone, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is just great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.